Welcome to AAA Web Limited. This is the 20 watt Smd Flood Light. The big advantage with this light is it can be surface mounted. You can put it on top of a wheelhouse or a gantry, with the idea being that this light will allow you to shine it directly parallel with the deck or right down until it hits whatever's in front of it, or right back until it does the same. Just give you some measurements on this one. The light is 6 inches wide, 115 centimeters or 150 mil. The height is 7.5 inches, 19 centimeters, 190 mil, and including the bracket, is 9 inches, 23 centimeters, 230 mil. This light comes with a length of cable. There's two variations. One is 12, 24 volt, the same light, and the second variation would be 110, 220, 230 or 240 volt AC. Okay, thanks for watching.